Welcome to this new episode. This is Magic Crochet, issue number 61, August 1989. I'm going to browse. Hopefully, I can find some inspiration for my next project. Let's begin. Filet crochet, a doily, this is Souvenir by Mayumi Sato. It was made with cotton number 30. Pretty. Look at the flowers. It's cute. Let's continue. Stars, a heart. These are designs by Glendola Hodge, both of them. Comes with a chart. Let's continue. Instructions. What is this? Little Annie by Glendola Hodge. They use cotton number 20. The pillow. Next. Let's see if we can find another photo. Filet crochet. This is really cute. But it will take forever. Curtains. Let me go back and see if I can find the designer or the name of the pattern. No. Here it is. Field of Poppies by Mayumi Sato. This is the photo for the chart right here. And this is a nice photo. Let's see if I can find the chart for this. There's no mention of who designed it. It's really cute. Wow, look at this one. Southern Belle by Dharma Bregoli. Comes with a chart. They use cotton number 10. Oh, I have a lot of cotton number 10. Let's continue. Fleur de lis and roses. Filet crochet. Wow, it's cute. And it is small. You can probably make this in a few afternoons. The next one, Forget Me Not. Filet crochet. I like this one. Look at the flowers. Let's continue. Roses of Sharon by Dharma Bregoli. They use cotton number 5. Pretty. Filet crochet. Comes with a chart. The next one, Good Decision by Dharma Bregoli. Cotton number 30. Pretty. Look at the edging. Nice. The next, Birds Alighting by Dharma Bregoli. Filet crochet. Birds. The next one, Exotica by Dharma Bregoli. They use pearl cotton number 5. Butterflies. Roses. Citronella by Colette Beiline. They use cotton number 20. Cute. Really nice. Let's continue. On Wings of Dreams. No designer information. They use pearl cotton number 8. Comes with a chart. Next, Nesting Birds by Dharma Bregoli. They use cotton number 5. Wow. Look at the bedspread. You can either make a doily or a bedspread. Let's continue. Fiesta by Mayumi Sato. A Magic Crochet special. Work in progress photos. Wow, very detailed instructions. Pouch, cover, no designer information, cotton number 5. Cute. Next, square dance. No designer information. They use cotton number 40. They must be really tiny. Comes with the charts, the map. Let's continue. Flower Bed by Fujiko Takagi. They use cotton number 40. Look at the flowers. I never seen anything like it. Cute. Let's continue. Periwinkles by Colette Beiline. A tablecloth. They used cotton number 10. I really like it, but it's too large of a project for me. The next one, Garden Party by Mayumi Sato. They use cotton number 5. Dinner at 8 by Colette Beiline. They used cotton number 40. I had a similar tablecloth. I might still have it. It's really pretty. Mine is similar, not the same. A lot of instructions. Ray flower pillowcase. No designer information. They use cotton number 20. This one, morning room pillow by Glendola Hodge. Cotton number 20. I'm making a dolly with that same ivory color. Next, Geometrics by Mayumi Sato. Cotton number 40. Here is the finished project. Is Bird Park by Margaret Gates. Cotton number 30. Is this one's. Wow, I really like this. This is something I would like to do. I think I found my next project. Look how cute. Comes with all the charts. Let me see. Cotton number 30. They must be tiny. Let me see if it says how much they measure. 8 3/4. I might make these ones. Next, Conversation Piece by Mayumi Sato. Expert level. They use cotton number 40. Comes with a chart. It's cute. Let's continue. This is Platter Dolly by Chantal Chevalier. They use cotton number 12. Pretty. The chart. The next one is Jolly Jonquils by Glendola Hodge. Pearl cotton number 5. Nice. This is really nice. Let's continue. Bonbon basket by Kazu Honda. They used cotton number 30. Let's continue. Summer Fantasy by Fujiko Takagi. Cotton number 40. How cute is that? Comes with a chart. Nice. Happy Birthday by Mayumi Sato. Cotton number 40. It is a novel dolly. Comes with a chart. Next. Pink Palette by Mayumi Sato. They use cotton number 30. Pretty. Isn't it pretty? Look at the chart. Cotton number 30. High style suit. The designer is Jean Ives Chapelain. Elegant. Sweetheart. I don't see the designer information. Looks like Irish crochet motifs. I don't know what kind of material they use, but it says use hook size number 4. Welcome Ashley. The designer is Nancy A. Prestosh. Worsted weight yarn. Looks like a Cabbage Patch doll, but I'm not sure. Let's continue. These look beginners leveled. Only double crochets. Designed by Nicole Prime. 6 months to 18 months. They use Pildar Dolcina yarn. Big blue butterfly. Cat and mouse. Is that crochet? No. Needlework. Okay. Cross stitch. French knots. Okay. Let's continue. Heron in Flight. Pillow Festival. This is quilting. Before I go, let me show you my favorite designs from this magazine. This one. This. And this. Those were my 3 favorites. And that's it. If you like my content, I appreciate it if you like, comment, share, and subscribe. It helps my channel. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.